Hi there, a lot of friends have been asking me how to properly use the 9mm Speedloader. And because there's no video out there, I thought I'd share it with all of you. For those who have no idea what I'm talking about, this is a 9mm Speedloader from Austria that has been released at the IWA last year. What sets it apart is that you can use it with different types of mags by using these adapters available for most common platforms. Let me briefly show you how it works, and then I give you my tips after using it for about a year. In the primary mode, you use the rail to pick up the rounds from the tray and then simply load them into the mag by pulling the lever. Or if you are using bulk ammo, you can use the funnel where you pull the lever first and then load it by releasing it. It's important to use the right angle, not like this, not like that. This angle is perfect to fill it, and when the ammo is a little struggling, you can push a little bit from the top down and then you can fill it easily. After a short break-in period, it will run smoothly anyway. On the one I've been using for a year now, you can clearly see the brass on the rail, but it runs super smooth. I never use some lubricants myself, but I know that our cameraman over there is using Teflon spray. Avoid oil or something else. Teflon spray is okay. On some trays, it's easier to slide in from the side than picking up 10 in a row. Just pick up 5 and then fill your magazine like that.
So, jetzt noch mal schnell bitte.
Das ist schnell.
Das ist nicht schnell.
Da meinst du kannst es schneller? Okay. Okay, our cameraman thinks he's just quicker than me. Leon, come over. Come over. Here, I fill it for you.
So which one is mine?
Choose your weapon. Up to you.
Ich sag dir, 15 Patronen, ein Magazin voll, unter 10 Sekunden.
Ich habe einen Timer. Warte. Quick stage. Okay. Shooter, make ready. Loader, make ready. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oh, block and back.
Okay.
I think that's quicker than you can shoot actually.
What?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Challenge. Challenge.
Mini target?
Big target?
No, let's do mini target.
5 meters?
7 meters.
7 meter mini target.
7?
10 rounds.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we got a challenge.
Ready.